Hello everyone! A few years ago, I replaced the rear brake discs and pads on my Audi A6 C5. In previous videos, I showed the entire process of replacing the brake components. A link to that video will be in the description. After the replacement, I've driven about 25,000 miles, and now it's time to check their wear and evaluate their condition. Let's first take a look at the rear left wheel. Here's the condition of the brake disc. As you can see, the factory shine is completely gone. I also recorded a video of this wheel after driving 6,000 miles following the replacement of the brake discs and pads. As you can see, after 6,000 miles, the brake components lost some of their original appearance. However, there's no significant wear or damage. The only thing I don't like is the rust that has appeared. As for the brake pads, you can see they are almost untouched. These are Textar pads. Now, let's look at the rear right disc and pads after 25,000 miles. Things are much worse here. As you can see, the caliper is likely misaligned, causing the disc to wear unevenly. Rusty grooves have appeared, and I believe the pad is completely worn out. Now take a look at this wheel 6,000 miles after replacing the brake components. You can see that the disc didn't wear down much after the replacement, but the metal started oxidizing, and the first signs of rust appeared. As for the brake pads, they were barely worn down, maybe by just a couple of millimeters. Let's go ahead and remove the rear right wheel to take a closer look at the condition of the brake discs and pads after 25,000 miles. I removed the wheel, and as you can see, the disc has definitely lost its original look, but there's almost no wear. The brake disc is still 10 millimeters thick, just like it was. Even when you run your finger over it, there are no grooves. It's a smooth surface. Out of curiosity, I measured the disc with a caliper, and it showed a thickness of 10 millimeters, maybe even a bit more. However, the brake pads are completely worn down to the base. I'd say the rear pads are entirely gone, leaving only the metal backing. There's probably about 2 millimeters of friction material left. So the pads lasted exactly 25,000 miles, while the brake disc is still fine with no wear. The only downside is the rust, and the reflective surface is gone. To be honest, I'm not very impressed with Textar. I'll try pads from a different manufacturer next time, maybe TRW. That's all for now. See you soon.